Unafuatwa na mwanaume akitafuta nini? What the power of the highest takes total control, gives direction, gives order, gives life, raises what is down, brings you to your position, gives you a voice. You are able to stand. That's why wasichana wetu msikuja kutuambia umefuatiliwa, unafuatiliwa. Geuka. Ukigeuka hivi wewe ni moto unaogeuka. That man get one day pay. Unafuatwa na mwanaume akitafuta nini?
Why is
I'm born again. Ikatabozaya. It's not a secret. I am born again. And I'm full of the Holy Ghost and power. Ati unafuatwa. Ananipigia simu. Na hakuna amewahi nipigia. We be filled with the Holy Ghost. That is power for action. Power to face the enemy. Power to say no, no, no. You cannot move me.